Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so we're going to be talking about this issue P0307. It's a trouble code on your vehicle. If you have this code, you probably have a check engine light on your dash. Chances are 100% of the time you're going to have a check engine light on your vehicle, and aside from that, it's going to run real rough. And you probably know this because you plugged in OBD2 sensor and it tells you P0307 is the code that comes up. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to fix it, what the issue is, how serious this problem is, and hopefully you guys can get this figured out as far as getting your car to drive normally again. So basically, this is a common code if you guys have an older vehicle with higher mileage, because essentially the code is a cylinder 7 misfire detected code, which means that cylinder 7 on your vehicle is misfiring. Now, it could misfire because of various reasons. It could be misfire because there's your spark plug is bad. It could misfire because your coil, your spark plug coil is bad. One of those two things, and chances are if you're just getting this code, the P0307 code, if that's the only code that comes up, it's probably the best scenario of this situation, because you either need to change out the spark plug or the coil. Now, if you just want to change out the coil, you think it's just the coil, you can need to change. If you want to change out the coil, because essentially, if you buy a coil from AutoZone, it's $100. You get a coil from eBay or Amazon, it's probably like around $20 or something like that, $20 to $30. Big difference if you actually need your vehicle to work as fast as possible. Now, what you can do, if you want to figure out whether it's the coil, the spark plug, you can actually change the coil from cylinder 7 and replace it with another coil in your vehicle that is working properly. And if you start the car or your vehicle and it reads that another cylinder, the cylinder that you swapped it out from, has an issue, or there's a misfire in the other cylinder, it's probably the coil. But in any case, in this situation, you probably want to change out the coil and the spark plug together, because chances are they're probably at the very same mileage or age as the vehicle. So basically, you want to change those two out. You guys want to get rid of this situation for a long while, because chances are if the spark plug goes out and the coil is okay, if the coil is okay and the spark plug goes out, chances are the other component, either the spark plug or the coil, will go out sooner at some point. But if you're getting a P0307 code with an additional code, if that additional code is maybe another cylinder misfire, you might have to change out the spark plug and the coil for that cylinder too. Chances are it's probably a good idea if you change out all the spark plugs and coils at the same time, because they're all probably at the same mileage with the same amount of wear. Now, if you get this P0307 code, a bunch of other codes, and a random misfire code, it's probably not just a misfire in cylinder 7. Is probably a vacuum leak or some other issue with your engine that's causing this random misfire. It's not a particular fault of that particular cylinder, but it's a particular issue with some vacuum leak in the system or the engine itself. Hopefully this has helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.